Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Bullets Wireless Z2 ready. Charge them and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the case or long press the power button to enter pairing mode so the earbuds appear on your phone. You should see Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z2 in Bluetooth device lists. Tap to connect. Make sure any previous audio device is disconnected to avoid conflicts. This first step gets you connected so ANC settings can be adjusted. Don't skip it. Now that you're connected, open Bluetooth device details or the Oneplus audio settings to find the ANC toggle. You'll see modes: active noise cancellation, transparency, and off. Switch to ANC. Once enabled, play familiar audio and check for background noise reduction. If voices or low rumbles persist, try different ANC intensity if available. Also swap ear tips and reseat the buds to improve the physical seal, because ANC relies on a good fit. Finish by testing ANC across environments, commute, office, and home to confirm consistent reduction. If ANC won't stay on or sounds odd, restart the earbuds and repair to your phone. That often clears state conflicts. Make sure firmware is current via the Oneplus device settings or companion app, because updates can fix ANC bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still hear weak noise reduction, change ear tips for a tighter seal. Poor fit is the most common ANC failure cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.